I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the basics. Check your network and device. Run a quick speed test. You want at least 5 Mbps for stable 1080p. Once done, open the YouTube player, tap the gear, and change quality from auto to a target like 720p or 1080p so the player stops downscaling. Also, make sure no other app or device is saturating your bandwidth. That immediately improves buffer behavior and prevents automatic drops in resolution. Next, optimize the software layer. Update your browser or the YouTube app so decoding improvements apply. You should enable hardware acceleration in settings. This offloads video decoding to the GPU and reduces choppy playback. If problems persist, switch browsers to test differences. Once done, clear cache and cookies or open an incognito window to rule out extensions and corrupted data. Because a misbehaving extension can force lower quality or intermittent stuttering that looks like poor video quality. Finally, apply advanced fixes and verify results. You can force a higher resolution with a URL parameter or trusted extension, but use this sparingly because it may stall playback. Restart your router and switch DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to improve resolution lookups and throughput. Once done, test playback again. If mobile data yields better quality than your home network, suspect ISP shaping. If nothing works, reboot the device and contact support with the exact tests you ran.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.